guys, Paul here at Rapids. We got a Volition sandwich prep unit. We're going to talk to you a little bit about getting these casters on. It's going to take a little bit of muscle. I want to show you the quickest, easiest way to do this. Now, as you can see, we got ours a little bit further up in the air. That's going to help in a couple reasons. One, it allows for us to use a longer screwdriver. You're going to want to use as long a screwdriver you can get away with. The longer it is, the more leverage you'll be able to get under it. The reason we want to do that is these screws, they are tapered, but they do need to cut into the metal as you secure this thing. It isn't tacked on the inside of the hole. So what you're going to want to do is locate your hole, and probably even before you start to stick the casters in, go ahead and screw these up a little bit so they can bite in. It'll make it easier for you. So I'm going to put it in here, and remember this is a long screwdriver. And then yeah, so I just kind of support it there and then just muscle it. So it's gonna take a little bit of work, see? But after you get that initial bite in there, then it's gonna be a lot easier when you put the actual caster on. Longer screwdriver helps because that's gonna give you more leverage. Now that I've cut some threads in using this bolt, then it's gonna be easy to pop that thing on. So advice is, biggest screwdriver you can get away with, okay? And then maybe run them in before you start filling with the caster itself, back them off, put the plate on there, attach back up, you'll be in business.